Hey, good morning. Let me show you something. I had an account with Amazon for many years, and then all of a sudden some mistake happened, and I managed to create two accounts with the same email. There's some bug in their database or something technical, I don't know what happened. But when I log in now, I see, let me show you what I see. I enter my email, and then I click login, and you see what happens. So I cannot log into my account for some technical reasons on their side. And I get this message from them. And this video is not to complain about Amazon. I do understand that anyone may have technical problems. I complain about the message they demonstrate. That's what I don't like. They're just telling me that there's some internal problem, rest assured, we deal with that. And of course I email them. I created a case in their system and they replied to me just yesterday that we will take care of that. We sent it to our technical team and they will resolve it somehow. The problem is that I'm not part of that process. I'm just completely isolated from what's happening on their side. They don't show me the stack trace, they don't give me any technical details of what exactly happened there. I don't know anything. I just see we're sorry, we're resolving that problem. I think it's a wrong approach to dealing with problems and bugs and mistakes which we all have in defects in software which we develop. Any software has defects. It's inevitable. It's a normal situation and they will resolve it somehow. But I want to be part of that. I want to be involved. I want to see how that problem gets converted into a ticket and then how that ticket is transferred to the software team and then who is assigned to that ticket and how they resolve that problem and how long it takes, and maybe I can help somehow, maybe I can suggest something. I don't know why big companies like Amazon and many other companies don't do it like that. Why they're keeping their customers in the dark, completely isolated from the development process, from the technical process. I think it's wrong. I think the right approach for software development, for delivering the software to customers, is to make a customer part of the development process, part of the delivery pipeline. Developers, programmers, deployment, testing on their side. And then us, users. We're not that stupid. This "we are sorry" is not enough for us. We want to see more. We want to contribute more. And that's what I'm suggesting to do to you. That's why I'm recording that video. That when you develop the software, make sure that you show the customer as much as you can when something like that happens. Don't keep your customers in the dark. Of course, be careful with the sensitive information. Make sure that the database passwords or something like that do not escape to the screen of the customer. But here, it's obvious some constraint violation on their database because, like I said, I had two accounts and they were created by mistake, and most likely they have some conflict with the records. And they will resolve it by deleting one of the accounts and I will continue working. But I want to see that. What's wrong with me being involved in that and me knowing what's going on? They're afraid that I will think that they're not technically capable of being a great company? Not at all. We need to understand, users have to understand that software development inevitably means bugs in production. And the best company knows how to deal with bugs, knows how to deal with it in an open way, not hiding your process from us customers. I think so. I'm not a marketing person. I do understand that maybe it will somehow negatively affect the image of the company. But deal with that, guys. Invent some mechanism, some approach which will allow you to disclose as much as possible technical details of the bugs which happen, and at the same time keep a good image of the company. I believe as a technical engineer that the more the company is able to disclose, the more open is the development process, the better is the company. The better is the software development process on their side. The less they are scared of us customers. Now I can see that Amazon is afraid of me. Amazon is trying to hide as much as possible. Do not show me any details. Just all they can show is just "we are sorry, an error occurred, just wait." That only means to me that they are not strong enough to handle my possible negative reaction to that situation and my possible, technical complaints. Be stronger. That's my message. Be stronger. Open your stack traces. Open your error logs. Open as much information as you can to your customers. That will demonstrate to your customers that you're not afraid. You're ready to accept the fact that your software has bugs and you want those bugs to be fixed. Bugs are inevitable part of software development process. Make them visible, make them openly accessible by customers, by people who cause them. That will only make your software better and your customers happier. That's all I wanted to say. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned. Bye bye.